Sherman News, where we give you all the info you need to know to be a Sherman Lion. Roar! So, today we will be presenting 2 of our iVIE videos that got nominated for the iVIE Awards. The iVIEs is a student film contest open for all San Diego.
Okay, good.
Our first video is a PSA called The Little Witches and the Air Pollution Pair.
You've got to be kidding. How's how you drive that car home? You live across the street. Cars produce so much pollution in the air. Oops. Next time, just walk. It'll reduce your carbon footprint. Zapata para abut. What? Where'd it go? What did you do? How's the nice bit of rules, eh? Maybe. Probably. When energy is used, more energy needs to be produced, and that causes more pollution. No! Just turn it off! Really? You don't recycle? What does recycling have to do with air pollution? When you recycle, you use less energy than making new ones in factories. Ridiculous. Never cycle. Remember, small changes can make a magical difference.
Wow, I learned a lot about air pollution from that video. Now we have our second video that got nominated, starring moi and Annabelle, called The Environmental Odd Couple. Hey Annabelle, want to hear a joke?
Sure.
What's it called when worms take over the earth?
What?
Global warming.
Don't even get me started on that global warming stuff. It's fake news.
Actually, it's not. It's very serious and affects the entire planet.
Yeah, sure. Believe what you want.
Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Drive through or walk up?
Drive through.
Walk up.
My legs are too tired.
Do you know how much pollution you're causing from sitting in a drive-thru letting the gas release from your car?
Yeah, so what exactly does that have to do with me?
Well, you're making our planet warm because of greenhouse gases. Creating excess carbon dioxide is harmful to our atmosphere. It absorbs as much heat as the entire atmosphere can hold. It comes right, when it can't hold anymore, it comes right back down to the earth, making it hot.
Once again, fake news. How can gas from one car be bad for the entire atmosphere?
Not one car, but millions of other doing the same thing.
Whatever.
Oh, hey look, it's raining. Oh, good thing I brought my umbrella. Better to be safe than sorry.
Wait a second. You said the weather's getting hotter. How come it's raining?
The weather is not getting hotter. The climate is.
Weather, climate. What's the difference?
Well, weather is the temperature of every day. It changes a lot. Climate is the overall temperature over long periods of time.
Oh yeah. I still don't get it at all.
Over the last decades, the temperature has risen a lot. Also, the levels of carbon dioxide.
Well, what can I do to help?
Okay. Well, you could ride a bike or walk instead of using cars and eat local foods and throw away your trash.
I don't know. It still sounds like a lot of work. I'm too lazy.
When will you learn?
Come on. What's the point of even doing this? You're such a green thumb goody two-shoes.
Planting is good for the environment.
Really? I always thought they were for decor. By the way, I got you a plant.
What's the point of this?
Well, since you're such a green thumb, I got you a plan.
This is fake plastic. Unneeded, pointless, tiny, and terrible for the environment!
But it's good for decoration, right?
Well, real plants soak up the carbon dioxide, and also they give us oxygen.
So we basically need plants to breathe.
Yes, exactly. Now are you getting it? Are you seeing my side of things?
Yeah, that makes so much sense. So what you're saying is trees absorb carbon dioxide and potentially harmful gases, such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide from the air, and release oxygen. The more trees and plants we grow, the more oxygen there will be for people and animals. Plants are crucial to our ecosystem, but it's a lot of work. Plastic plants are easy. Plastic.
Grandma, it's so hot and humid. Oh, honey, you can blame Annabelle, huh? She's one of many people who didn't bother to help the environment.
What? I didn't know you were telling the truth. I thought you were pulling my leg.
Well, what are we supposed to do now? I think I have a solution. What is it?
Drive through or walk up?
Walk up.
Pretty good videos, right? Well, wish us good luck because our award show is tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, congratulations to the kids that participated in Science Field Day. Some even placed in their own category. Thanks for watching the Sherman News, where we give you all the info you need to know to be a Sherman Lion. Roar! Oh yeah, and don't forget to go to the garden festival today after school. Oh yeah, don't forget to go to the science festival today after school.
And then after that, go to the garden festival.
Oh, science festival.
Cut.
Get up! Help! Where'd it go? What did you do?
Magic.
Oh. What? What did you do?
It's magic.
Oh, that makes sense. Where's my car? Ah!
What? It's like magic.
It is magic.
Oh.
Nuts.
Too slow.
I didn't hear your action. Sorry, I was like, what's happening? Sorry.
Action! Action!
Nuts.
What? That just turned off.
What is that?
Magic?
That makes sense.
We didn't get any help from the magician.
Makes sense.
That little one is scary.
Well,